In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see all unsubscribe emails in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM and look at the left side menu. This is where most of the main areas of the system are organized, so you will not need to hunt around. When you are ready, click Sales in the left menu. Take a moment after you click, because the page will refresh and you will see options related to sales activities and lead tracking. Next, you will choose whether you want to view unsubscribe information for leads or for contacts. In the sales area, click Leads or Contacts, depending on what you need. If your goal is to review people who are still in your lead pipeline, select Leads. If you are focusing on existing customers or records that are managed as contacts, select Contacts. This small choice matters because Zoho CRM keeps leads and contacts in separate sections, and the view you select will filter the right type of records. Once you have opened the Leads or Contacts section, you will see a list or a table with existing records and a view name at the top. At the top left area of this page, look for a 3 dots icon next to the view name. This icon is often used for extra options, including changing or selecting filters and views. Now click the 3 dots icon. You may see a menu appear right next to it, so keep your eyes on the screen as that menu opens. After the menu appears, you will now select the specific view that shows unsubscribed items. From the menu, choose Unsubscribed Leads or Unsubscribed Contacts. This option is designed to show only the records that have unsubscribed status for email communications. By selecting this, you are applying a saved filter that makes it easy to find unsubscribed emails without manually searching through everything. This is especially helpful when you need to confirm compliance or audit your messaging preferences. Before you move on, allow the page a moment to update, because Zoho CRM will load the filtered list based on your selection. When the table refreshes, you should see records that match the unsubscribe criteria. Depending on your workspace setup, you may also notice that the view name or the filter context changes to reflect that you are now looking at unsubscribed results only. If your list is long, you might need to scroll or use pagination controls, but the key point is that the records shown are now restricted to unsubscribed entries. At this stage, you can review the results as needed. Since you have selected the dedicated view, you are not guessing or interpreting mixed data from the normal leads or contacts list. You are viewing a clean, targeted set of records, which makes it easier to understand who has unsubscribed and to take any follow-up actions your process requires. And that covers everything you need to know. That is all there is to it.